Morning to all. This is Srinivas Jangiti. How are you all? Wow, very good. I am always fine. Today, very interesting and important topic I will discuss with you. Why? Because of it is not only students' purpose, it is also helpful when you are writing any competitive exam. That time is helpful this topic. So, what is the topic? Nothing. So simple and when you are not understanding, it is a very big problem like it is available. But so simple topic this is. So what is the topic is the fractions, right? Fractions. Many members are in the school lifetime, many confusions like that is. But there is nothing so simple. The fractions means simple. Once you remember that some clues and what is the tricks. So simple the fractions. Fractions is nothing hard. It's so simple topic and very interesting topic. This video knowledge will increase yourself, right? Every time is development is depend on this topic also. So that's why it is a very important in the competitive time also and in your school lifetime also. Then that's why I am going to the concept is a fractions. So please remember one thing, don't miss it any. So perfectly observe this and yours very easy. Your feeling is a last final after this video. So why? Because of is a fractions is a very important topic. That's why each and everybody more concentrate on this. What is now? Let's go. Our topic is that fractions, right? The fraction means nothing. Is a fraction so simple. What is that? Is a numerator by denominator. Fraction means what is that? Is numerator by denominator. Suppose it is what is that? Is 5 by 2. It is one thing, right? 5 by 2. Is that something? It is there. No. This is what is the 5 by 2? This is only what? Fraction. 5 by 2, which means is what is this is fraction, right? And what is this? 5 is an upside, that is a numerator right now, which is an upside, that is a numerator, and which is in the down, that is 2 it is then a 2, this is a denominator. So what is the 5 by 2? 5 by 2, which means is a fraction, and 5 is a numerator, 2 is a denominator. I hope what is the fraction you understood now. Simple. What is that? Numerator by denominator, or called as fraction. So it's the fractions are different types, right? Now let's go. What is the topic? Is a fraction. Fraction, which means you understood. I hope it is that is numerator by denominator is called as a fraction, right? Which is the numerator, which is the denominator. Also you understood now. Now next second. What is that? Is the second thing? Depend on that. Different type of fractions are there now. First one we'll learn about that. What is that? Is proper fractions. Proper meaning only understood, and the proper proper. What is a proper? Which means in the proper order, like that is a word, sir, you will know that. Same way, what is that? Is a proper fraction means nothing. Suppose 2 by 3. What is noticed here? 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Example of proper fraction is 2 by 3. What is noticed here? Simple. You observe here, that is in only definition it is there. Am I right? Yeah, very clever. It's nothing. Numerator, denominator. What is your numerator? Numerator is a 2, denominator is 3. So numerator, how to compare of the denominator? Very clever. Numerator less than the denominator. Numerator less than the denominator. That what is it is you observe? That is only no. Numerator is less than the denominator. Then they are called what is the type of fractions? Proper fractions. Numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. Some more example. What is it is? Suppose 3 by 4, right? And next 5 by 6. And next 7 by 9. These in all you should observe here. What is here? All. 1 to 1 compare this. What is it is? Numerator is less than the denominator. 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 So simple definition of the proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. I hope you understood the proper fractions clear. Numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Clear? So next, what is the next? It is clear about the proper fraction after improper. So automatically you know here only what is that is important and unimportant, right? That is opposite, like same way here also proper to improper. Improper in this only meaning there. Improper means not is a proper, right? So proper in what you have written? Numerator is less than the denominator. Reverse. What is that? First you have taken 2 by 3 is a proper in taken now. Now I am taking here 3 by 2. Suppose 3 by 2. What is your numerator? Numerator is a 3. What is the denominator is 2. So what observe here? Come on, tell me. Yeah, very clever. Numerator is a 3, denominator is a 2. then numerator is what is here? Greater, right? Very clever. So numerator is greater than the denominator. Then the fractions are called, what is the fractions? Improper fractions. Improper fractions means what is that is? Numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Proper means numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fractions. Here what? Numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Some more examples tell me. Suppose what is that is? Yeah, 4 by 3, correct. And again 5 by 4, very clever, right. 6 by 5, etc. These in all you should observe here. Numerator is greater than the denominator. 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 So numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Clear everyone? In this again one also there, what is that is a mixed fraction. Okay, it's so simple, that's why I am not written here. Why? Because of these two things you know means mixed is automatically you will know well. Why the meaning of the mixture? Do you know that is a mixture? Wow, very clever. That's what is that is all like kara bundi and something onions and everything is that is called as a mixture. The same way mixing, how to that is improper, proper. You know that is the meaning. Suppose improper, what is that is a 3 by 2 you written on now only. This we can also write what is that is a 1, right? 1 whole half, like simply 1.5, right? 1 is the whole part, 1 by 2 is the fraction part. This result once you observe, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 only now, this 1.5 which means is a 3 by 2 only now. Yeah. Then it is you called as a improper now. This is only we called as a mixed. What is it is? Mixed fractions. What is in the mixed fraction? In whole part and fraction part it is there now. That is only mixed fractions. Mixed means nothing. First you know already, numerator is less than the denominator is a proper written. Numerator is greater than the denominator, improper written, right? Now we have mixed means what is that? Simple, whole part plus fraction part. Like this is many. Suppose again one example you observe here. What is that is an example? 4 by 3. What is here 4 by 3? We can also write what is that is 1, right? 1/3. What is that is 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So it is what is that is a mixed fraction. I hope you understood about the mixed fraction. Nothing. So simple. So clear about this? What is the proper, what is the improper, and what is the mixed? Mixed purpose, you don't worry about that. Simple trick. What is that is a whole part, fraction part. These two things it is there, no? That is only mixed. Mixed we can also change in the improper fraction. Improper we can change in a mixed fraction. That is another one topic, right? Now first you remember this clear. Numerator is less than the denominator is the proper. Numerator is greater than the denominator is the improper. Mixed means what is I said? Just is a what is that is whole part plus fraction part. It is called as a mixed fraction. That's why it's so simple. And next. A like fraction. Like fraction means nothing. So simple. Once you observe here, suppose is 1 by 2, right? 2 by 2, like 3 by 2, 4 by 2, right? 5 by 2, like 6 by 2. In this, what do you observe? What notice in this is see 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2. What is observed here? Wow, very clever. All in the denominators. How like it is the denominators are there? Right, very clever, super. All denominators are how like it is same there, right? All denominators are same. Then what is this called? Like fractions. These all are like fractions only now. Why? Because all in the denominator is a 2 only there. That's why these 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2 are like fractions. So in the fractions which are same denominators, the fractions have a same denominator are called like fractions. Understood I think? Simple. Like fraction means nothing. Denominators are same. And next, suppose the difference of other one. That is only now opposite like only now same. Like fraction means clear all members. All denominators same there. That is like fractions. Now opposite. What is that is opposite? Here like, here unlike. Opposite only now. So here all denominators same. That's why you written what is that is like fraction. Different denominators. Suppose what is that is 1 by 2, 3 by 4. 6 by 7, 8 by 9. In this to observe any, here is a 2 denominator there, here 3, here what is that is a 4 there, here 7, here is a 9. All what is that is a different denominators there. The fractions have different denominators. So that is unlike fraction. So what is the difference between the like and unlike? You understood? Fractions have a what is the same denominators is like fractions. Different denominators is called unlike fractions. I hope you understood these are unlike fractions only now. Same denominators is a like fraction, different denominators is unlike fractions. Simple now, this is clear everyone. And next very important, this is what is it is equivalent. Their only meaning it is there, equivalent, right? Equivalent fractions. Equal meaning is what is that is, you will know. Yeah, very good. As both are same, right? As same way, equivalent fractions means the same fraction, right? So somebody feeling is same fraction means 1 by 2. Then again 1 by 2. No, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. What is it like? Like fractions like also coming now. That's not. Here is a 1 by 2. As same way, you observe here. Suppose this is these two fractions. How is equal? 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4 I written. Then I am telling what is it is 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are what is that is equivalent fractions I am telling. Are you agree or not agree? Tell me yes or no. Yeah, very clever. Super. Yes. Why agree? Because of simple trick here. Observe that here 1 by 2 there. Your feeling is here 2 by 2. Here 2 by 4 is there. How these both are equal? Simple trick. Observe here. Least form. Like smallest form. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. What is that? 1 1 2 2. Same available are not there. See here. Numerator is 1. In this also numerator is 1. In this numerator 2. What is it is in this denominator is 2. In this denominator also 2. Same numerator, same denominator. Then that what is it is equivalent fractions only now. But looking is a different, like here see here 1 by 2, 2 by 4 are. So how this is an equal? Equal there. When you have to change into smallest form, then is automatically same. So that's why suppose these how it is that is equivalent. You observe here 1 by 2, right? 2 by 4, and that is equals next. What is that is 4? Right. Here what is that is 6. How that is 2? What is that is here? No. Here is what do you want? Here changes. How it is the changes here? Here 2 by 4 you have taken now. Here 1 by 2 is there. Here if you are cutting now, here 3 will come. It's not correct that. What is that is here? Simple way. Remember here, what is that is a way? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4, right? Here also what is that is? 4 ones are 4. Then 4 twos are 8. As same way. What is that is next? Suppose 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are what? 6. And next, suppose 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. These are all like is 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 4 by 8 equals to 3 by 6 is equals to 5 by 10. Why these are equivalent fractions? Simple. You got like this. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Right? All in. If you are cutting means those who are don't know members are like this. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 3 ones are 3 3. What is that is? 3 twos are. And 5 ones are 5 twos are. All in 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 is there or not there? So what is that is called as equivalent fractions. This type of fractions are called equivalent. When you are to simplest form afterwards, what you got the result are same like only now. These are equivalent fractions. And next a small one it is also there. What is that is you know is the equivalent fractions afterwards. Unitary fractions. Unitary fractions means nothing. Unit place. You already will know what is that is unit place means one's place only now. Yeah, very clever. So unitary fractions means also nothing. What is that is all numerators are 1. So suppose is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, etc. Like this all in you observe all numerators have what is that is 1 1 1 1 only now. That's why this is called as unitary fractions. I hope you understood all fractions very well. Super. Once again briefly, what is that is proper fractions means nothing. Numerator less than the denominator are called as proper. Numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper. Mixed means whole part plus fraction part, that is a mixed fraction. And like means all denominators are same. Unlike means different denominators. And equivalent means what is that is equal. How you are to coming, that is a fractions you will know. And unitary fractions means nothing. You all numerators are ones. I hope understood very well. And fraction means nothing, numerator by denominator. I hope it's a so simple topic now. This is a fractions, but this is a very important to all, right? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.